Hey Isaac, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, good. Okay, what you make today?
I made an airplane.
Airplane. Okay. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any challenge for you today?
Yes.
What is the biggest challenge for you?
I always break it. And it's so unbreakable.
Oh yeah. The next time you have to make it unbreakable for me. Is it okay for you?
Cantonese.
Okay. Can you show me how it works? Click the program first. Okay, now. Oh, point up, point down, point up. Yeah, because this one is controlled by the tilt sensor. When you're pointing up, and pointing down have a different effect. Okay, thank you, Isaac. See you next week. Bye bye.